Good morning parents and good morning children. Welcome to LKG coloring class. How are you all children? I am sure you all are fine and you all are enjoying at home and you all are doing your homework very nicely, and apart from studies you all are doing lots of coloring and drawing also. So it is children, it is very good. You all are practicing drawing and coloring also. Now today children, you must be very much excited to know that what we are going to learn today in our coloring class. Today's topic is very interesting topic children. This picture you have seen everywhere. You have seen outside your house, you have seen on the road, and you must be having a toy at home also. So you must have seen this picture at home, in the storybooks, in TV, nearby your house, so everywhere. So I am going to show you the picture and I know you are going to recognize and you will know what it is. Okay. So children, now tell me, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes children, this is a car. What is this? A toy car, a small car. And what is the color of the car? Yes, the color of the car is red and blue in color. It is red and blue in color. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Yes, the car is looking very beautiful. So now tell me children, you must have seen this car at home. You must have seen this car in the books. You must have seen the cars in the TV, and you must be having a toy car at home with which you all play every time whenever you are free at home sitting. So children, today's topic, today's picture is a beautiful car which we have to color today. Okay, with your favorite color also you can color it. So children, come, we will color the picture of the car which is in your Art Express coloring book, page number 22. This picture you have in your Art Express coloring book, page number 22. So do it as the instructions given to you all. Now children, look at the board. Here we have two pictures. One is a small car, the other one is big car. Small car is colored and the big car is not colored. So today we are going to color the big car. And here it is written, just listen carefully what it is written here. Here it is written, this red and blue car is busy all day. So this red and blue car is busy all day. So color the big car any color you want. So as I told you, you can color the picture of a big car whichever color you want to color it. You must be having a toy car at home, so you can see that color and you can color the big car with your favorite color or any color. But today we are going to see the small car and we will color the big car according to the given colors. So which colors are here? Here we have red and blue color. The same color we will use to color the big car. So children, come, we will color the picture of a car very nicely and neatly as the instructions given to you all. The first color we will take is the red color. Now children, follow the instructions as given to you all. You can move your hand in one direction as I am doing. You can see my hand, it is moving in one direction children. You can see my hand, it is moving in one direction. So you have to color it in the same way as the instructions given to you all. Don't come outside the border line. Okay children, don't come outside the border line. So this way you have to color the picture. And I know you all small children love to play with the toy car. I know all the small children, they love to play with the toy car. We see lots of cars on the road moving, the big car, they are the real cars. And at home we have toy cars. At home we have children, the toy cars which we play with. We can play with remote, batteries. Okay. So this way we have to color the picture very nicely and neatly. Okay. Try to fill all the white spaces. If you see the white spaces, just fill it and color it very nicely. Don't come outside the border line. You can see my hand is moving in one direction children. So same way you have to do the coloring nicely. See. So we are finishing with the red color and I am trying to fill all the white places. Okay children? So see, we have completed the red part. Now we will take the blue color. Now here we have, first we will color the window with the light blue color. This is light blue color. So we will color the window with the light blue color. See, this is the light blue. Yes. For first window we have completed. Now second window. Windows of the car. See, this way we have to color it children. And we will not come outside the border line. Black border line. See, this way we have to, and try to fill all the white parts. Okay, try to fill all the white parts. Now we have completed with the blue, light blue. Now we will complete with the dark blue. Now we will complete with the dark blue. The tires, the wheels. Okay, the wheels we will color with the dark blue color. You can see. So this way we have to complete. You can see here we are completing now. Now again second wheel. Second wheel we have to complete. So this way children, we have to fill the colors nicely. You can see here all the white parts. We have to fill all the white parts. Now here we can put red. You can see here we have a red color. So we can put red in the middle of the wheels. So this way children, we have completed the car very nicely and beautifully. Okay, so this way children, you have to color the picture of a car very nicely and neatly in your Art Express coloring book, page number 22. On page number 22, you have to color this picture very nicely and neatly as the instructions given to you are. And related to the topics, all the worksheets are uploaded on our school website. So parents, please follow it and make your children do nicely. And related to this topic also, the videos are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So kindly go through it and make your children watch the videos and make them do as the instructions given there. So children, please follow the instructions and do your work very nicely. Thank you and have a nice day.